Hello, I am Madeline Silva, and for those of you who don't know me, I teach holistic doctors, healers, and practitioners how to thrive in today's rapidly changing, patient-driven digital economy, because it's not business as usual, people. And today I'm going to be talking about the difference between your toolkit and niching and why it really matters to your marketing. Your toolkit is filled with your clinical expertise, all the stuff that you studied and trained to become a phenomenal healthcare provider. And it's your certification, your licensing courses, your professional education, the stuff that gives you permission to call yourself a chiropractor, acupuncturist, or occupational therapist. And I'm sure that you are really passionate about all the cool stuff that you have been able to collect over the years in your toolkit. But don't make the mistake of leading with your toolkit in your marketing. Being a nutritionist, physical therapist, chiropractor, or body worker is simply not enough in today's rapidly changing economy. There are probably dozens, if not hundreds of doctors, healers, and practitioners in your city or town. So leading with your toolkit in your marketing, don't let any of your potential patients know how you are different and unique in your approach and why they should choose you instead of the doc down the road. So although you may be really proud and excited about what's in your toolkit, potential patients, and I don't really mean to hurt your feelings when I say this, but potential patients don't really care if you are an acupuncturist, chiropractor, medical doctor, naturopath, because all they really care about is if you are going to be able to help them get well. So rather, and with 80% of now patients searching online before they ever even step a foot into a doctor's office, it's important that you have very specific in marketing message that is searchable online. So rather than searching for a medical doctor, chiropractor, or acupuncturist, patients are searching for a thyroid expert, or a diabetes specialist, or a provider that can help them improve their golf swing, or weight loss, or longevity. Niching is really the art of speaking to a very specific pain point experienced by a very narrow segment of the population. And this is probably why most healthcare providers fear niching, because they're concerned that niching would limit the people that they can really work with. And if you're already worried that you don't have enough new patients coming into your practice on a regular basis, then niching can seem and feel like very risky business. But niching is one of the fastest ways for you to set yourself apart and really let people know why they should choose you instead of another health professional. But don't just pick a niche because it's smart marketing. The magic really happens when you connect your true passion with your niching message. So I'm going to give you a couple of questions that you can begin asking yourself to discover what really lights you up. And so you can begin merging your passion and your niche in your marketing message. So here it goes. Where are you able to make the biggest impact? And who do you really love to serve? And who are your patients that you wish that you had more of? And once everything is said and done, what legacy do you want to leave behind? And what keeps you up at night? And what is one thing that you would love to change in your field if you could? What would it be? And what are you really, really good at? And what do you want people to say behind your back? Now, I'm going to be putting the list in the files section in our private Facebook group, Healthcare Heroes. So you can download and print it, then jot down your ideas and answers to the questions. And if you're not yet part of the Healthcare Heroes group, just comment hero below and I'll make sure to add you. And I'd love to hear what you come up with. So don't be shy, share what you're up to in the world. And until next time, be a healthcare hero.